Hi, this is Mark Sims, and I'm excited to let you know that I'm going to be speaking at the Conscious Life Expo in Los Angeles this weekend. On Sunday at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., I'm going to be part of an amazing panel, including Daniel Sheehan, Stephen Bassett, and Serena Wright-Taylor. We are going to be talking about the UFO disclosure issue and bringing to the discussion the latest revelations on this question of ET and UFO disclosure. It's going to be amazing. I hope to see you there. If you click on the link below, you'll be able to get a promo code to get 10% off of your tickets to the event. Also, if you're not able to make it to Los Angeles, you can watch it virtually via live stream. There's a link below as well where you can buy tickets and watch virtually. And you can also get 10% off using the promo code on that link. I hope to see you there.